right, this is day 5. Here is the first one. Oh my goodness, is this the runt one? It's getting so big. Look how precious. No, they don't get fleas. It's just a little dirt or poop eaters or something. Nope. Are you watching what you're recording?
No.
Look how cute.
They are so soft.
Oh my gosh. You were always looking in there, nowhere else. Okay. Here's another one. Look at that little white. Are you watching this one? Look at that little white baby. Look
so
at
soft.
those. One of the little brown ones was found outside of the nest box.
So, is that it?
I don't know which one it was. This is a little feisty one. Look at this little feisty one. This the one with the little white spot? Yeah, this is the one with the little white spot.
Probably cute.
You gotta watch what the video's doing.
How do you already, that's not the smallest one.
Are you watching the video? You gotta watch what your video on so that they always have something to look
Maybe
at.
it's my fingers in the oops.
There we go. Look at this one. This is a big one.
No, one's a full belly one.
Look at that little precious baby.
They're all so precious. This is my first time ever seeing a baby rabbit. Like, in person. Oh, look at that shoulder.
This one, I think, is the one that we found outside of the box this morning.
That's that one.
Let me see. Let's put them on down here. Look at this. Oh, it's hopping. They're hopping. Are you getting them? Back up a little bit so you get them all.
Yeah, they are.
Look at them
Look,
jumping.
they jump.
Jumping
See?
at 5 days old. Come back here, little runt. Come back here. Are you video good?
Sorry, I had it.
They are all over the place. 5 days old. Still
So
5
crazy.
healthy babies. Look at little fatty
That
right
one's
here.
so little. Oh
Look at
my
little-
gosh.
look at little
Sorry.
fatty. Make sure it's always in focus so everybody can see these babies. There's people wanting a video of them. Look at this cuteness right here. Let me.
That one's so big.
Oh my gosh. Look how precious that is. Look how precious. Oh my gosh, they're like little jumping kangaroos. Keep it focused on it.
Hey, Dad.
Hi, babies.
Yes.
They're jumping like little kangaroos.
Outside the cage.
It's good.
I hope it's good, but watch them get ready to
Look
jump.
how big this one is.
Hang on a minute. You can see that one. It'll jump here in a minute. See it?
All right, come on. We got to go.
Go ahead and push pause. Just a little update. Trying to get some little pictures for you all. And little stinker butt. That's always been a stinker butt. He can bite. Of course, it doesn't hurt. But I think it's funny that they can. The brown ones seem to not settle as easy as the little white ones. Sorry for the noise in the background. But they hop all over the place like little jumping jelly beans. Look at that. Look how cute that is. How precious is that? Oh, here comes little Feisty. He's wanting to jump. Look at that. I'm going to try to get a picture before that cute one. Oh, look at that little mouth move. And yes, they do have little teeth at 5 days old. 5 days old teeth. Oh my gosh, that's just so precious. Little precious babies. Oh, little scratched himself. Little feisty butt there. Trying to get some loving. This is the longest I've had them out of their little cage. But I just wanted to share with you all, since my video was cut short yesterday, I wanted to share these little babies. Are you wanting them, Mama? Look at that little tail, guys. Look at those little tails. Oh, and there's a little... Is that little rump back there? Little rump's catching up with everybody. I think that's little rump back there. Little one. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, a little feisty, but trying to jump. Look at that. Oh, that white one right there by my pinky is so big. Look at that little stinker. You gotta watch them. They jump. They could jump right off this little table. I've got to be so careful. Look at that. They're so strong at 5 days old. Oh, I gotta cut this video so this one don't get... Okay, my video recorder had to leave, but it looks like these little boogers are getting hungry. I'm trying not to... They're jumping like crazy, so I'm trying not to let them jump off. But look how precious these babies are. I'm trying to make a little bit longer video today since it got cut short yesterday. But they're changing so much. And I think today, I swear I saw teeth. What is going on, little brown booger? What is going on? Okay, okay, okay. You're jumping too much. Oh my gosh. Like, they're feisty. The little brown ones are feisty little boogers. I've got a good little idea of how a 5-day-old newborn baby rabbit acts. Little white ones are calm, but the little brown ones are little stinkers. They, you can hear them, listen. How precious is that?